That's my parfait. First meal of the day. My first meal. So. Let me give Bobby this one. He didn't ask for it, but let's see how he reacts.
Hey, what is going on?
What?
What is that?
What does it look like?
Give me now. If it is for me, give me, my dear. I like surprises. This one you're eating and doing your mouth like that. Let me see. Thank you, my darling. This is lovely.
Only thank you.
Right.
Did you ask for it?
Guys, let me see what it is first before I ask for it. Mm. Mm. Thank you so much, darling. Mm. It's really nice.
All right. Enjoy.
Thank you, darling.